Good morning, children. Let's start with a new topic of your chapter 3, and that is dimension of business environment. Right? In this topic, we will discuss about the different factors or different dimension of business environment which affect it or which affect the performance of business enterprise. Right? In the previous video we have discussed about the forces, right, where we have discussed that there are two kind of forces which affect the performance of business enterprises. These are your general or your specific forces, right? Now today we are going to discuss about the dimension of business environment. So let's start the different dimension of business environment which affect its performance. So as you can see here, these are the different dimension of business environment, and this is a very important topic according to terminology of CBSE, because at least one question will always come from this topic, right? Now let's see what are it. So when we talk about the dimension of business environment, it's basically given five dimension of business environment, and these are the political environment, or we can say the political dimension, then your social environment, you can say social dimension, your legal dimension, your technological dimension, and economical dimension, right? So these are the five things: your political, social, legal, technological, and environment factors which affect the performance of business environment, right? And that is the reason we can say that because these all things affect the business enterprise performance, we say these are the dimension of business environment. Now in short we can understand it by spelt also, right? Just for remembering it, S means your social, P means your political, E means economical, L means legal, and in T means technological. Or we can also remember is at a keyword of pastel, right? That is PESTL. So these are the five dimension of business environment. I am just revising it once: political, economical, technological, legal, and social environment. Let's discuss in brief. Let's start with the political environment. When we say about political environment, it is basically consisting of stability, peace, attitude of governments toward business activity, right? Means political environment कैसे और political dimension कैसे business enterprise को affect करता है, because political environment में क्या आ रहा है, the stability of a country, the peace of a country, and the attitude of government towards the business activity, right? It means if a government is having positive attitudes towards the business, so the rules and regulation which they will make for the business, that they will be easiest, right? So in this way what will happen, we will be able to encourage more and more investor to come and invest money in our country. So these all different kind of factors help uh, increasing the performance of business enterprise. Now because they all are belonging to a political things, or that is the reason we are saying these all a political environment, right? Now we can directly say here the political environment of a country play a very important role for affecting the business enterprise, positive also and negative also. If a government is having positive attitudes toward the business, right, so hey, the more and maximum people will come, they will have more encouragement to invest money in your country. If there is a government which does not have a positive attitudes towards the business, right, so hey, the people will have little bit hesitations for the investment of money, right? So the stability of government, the peace in the country, and the attitudes of government are basic activities which are going to affect the business enterprises. Now because your BST is going to be coming in BST, most of the questions are going to be come in a case study form. So what kind of questions came here, we will just see the examples also. like like Make in India campaigning, everybody know this was made by Mr. Narendra Modi, our current prime minister, right? So what basically he has done, he has given lots of thing here, he has discovered lots of rules here regarding how to encourage the investment in our country, and how to bring the investor of outsider, the other countries, to India For this, he has make lots of rules and regulations simpler for the purpose of investment. So this is what? This is the positive attitudes of political parties towards the business, right? Now, if a question is coming where the elements are written in constitutions, where the elements are related with political systems, political की ideology के बारे में बात हो रही है, जहाँ पे political party और their ideology के बारे में बात हो रही है, or where we are talking about the government attitudes towards the business, where we are talking about our foreign relation with the other country. So these all questions, if they are coming, or if these case studies are coming, with these all element, you will say that this is an example of political involvement or political dimension. So let's discuss with the third dimension and second dimension, that is economic involvement, or we can say economic dimension. Now everybody know that when we say about economic, we are talking about money, right? This you need to clear in your mind. So what is economic involvement and how it is affecting the business enterprises? Now, because economic involvement consists of factors like inflations, interest rate, consumer income, economic policies, and market conditions. So where the economic condition of a country is going to affect the business enterprises, that all is going to be covered inside your economic involvement or economic dimension. Now कैसे affect करती है business enterprise को economic involvement की? Like suppose take a inflation rate. अगर आप inflation rate की बात करते हैं, that is going to affect your business enterprises. A simplest example we can take by interest rate. आप सबसे easy examples let's discuss, and that is interest rate. How the interest rate of a country is going to affect the business enterprises? Simply, if the interest rate of loan will increase, the people or the business enterprises will take less loan. The people who want to invest money in the business will be able to arrange less money from the loan, right? So what will happen in that case? There will be less investment. So where it affect the business enterprises. In case the loan rates are down, interest rate on loan are down, the people will have able to have more and more loan. In that loan they can able to utilize by starting their business also. So here this is affecting positively to the business enterprises, right? So loan interest rate किससे related है? Money से related है. ये क्या कर रहा है? business के enterprises को affect कर रहा है positively or negatively. So that is what we can say that this is related with the economic environment, right? So economic environment क्या है? वो सारे factors which are related with money, like inflation rate. अगर inflation rate होता है, ये क्या करता है? It affect the cost of productions, right? आपके जो वेजेस हैं, आपके जो रॉ मटेरियल हैं, ये क्या हो जाते हैं? इफ इन्फ्लेशन इज राइजिंग, अगर इन्फ्लेशन बढ़ता है तो कॉस्ट ऑफ गुड्स बिकम हाई. आपके जो कॉस्ट ऑफ गुड्स होती हैं वो क्या हो जाती है? इंक्रीज हो जाती हैं. और क्यों इंक्रीज होती है? बिकॉज कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन इंक्रीज होएगा, आपके वेजेस और रॉ मटेरियल के रेट्स आपको ज़्यादा देनी पड़ेंगी. सो इन दैट केस व्हाट इज हैपनिंग हियर? इट इज अफेक्टिंग योर बिजनेस इंटरप्राइजेस, राइट? नाउ we have one more example of economic involvement factors, that is consumer income. How consumer income is affecting the business enterprises? Now if a consumer is having good purchasing power, or we can say if a consumer is having good income, it means that consumer will have more purchasing power. When a consumer have more purchasing power, he will have more demand of goods and services, and this is directly going to affect whom? It is going to affect the business enterprises. जब मार्केट में कंज्यूमर की डिमांड ज़्यादा होगी तो बिजनेस enterprises क्या करेगा? ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्रोडक्शन करेगा. If consumer income will less, right, he will have less purchasing power. अगर उसके पास में इनकम ही नहीं होगी तो उसके पास में purchasing power भी नहीं हो सकती है. Or because he will not have purchasing power, he will not able to create a demand. In that case the enterprises will not able to produce the product. So all these factors which are related with money, right, and affecting the business enterprises are going to be called as economic involvement, right? Now let's see the another dimension of business involvement, and these let's discuss first with the element. Now these are the different element of economic involvement. Now if a case study question is containing all these kind of element and telling you to identify which dimension it is, you have to exactly understand that this is belonging to economic involvement. Why? Because everything here is related with money. Let's see the example here. Role of public and private sectors. economic environment. Now rate of saving and investment related with money, that is your economic environment. Money supply, agriculture and industrial productions, your balance of payment, your foreign exchange reserves, your export and import policies, ये सारी किस पे डिपेंड करती हैं? आपकी इकोनॉमिक पॉलिसीज पे डिपेंड करती है. फॉर एग्जांपल एक्सपोर्ट इंपोर्ट पॉलिसी, कब आपके पास में एक्सपोर्ट ज़्यादा होंगे, कब इंपोर्ट ज़्यादा होंगे. अगर आप कस्टम टैक्सेस को इंक्रीज कर देते हो, डेफिनेटली ये क्या हो जाएंगे, रिड्यूस हो जाएंगे, राइट. So this is what it's affecting. The money here is affecting the business enterprises as a form of economic factors. Now let's discuss about the third one, and that is social environment, right. Now when we say about the social environment, it consists of values, custom, education's level, literacy rate, demographic distribution, social trend, etc. Now it basically saying that social environment क्या है? Social environments are all those values, all those customs, all those education level, literacy rates, demographic distribution and social trend which are present in the society and affecting the performance of business enterprises are going to be called as social environment, right. It means society में जितने भी customs हैं, जितने भी आपके values हैं, राइट, ये सारी की सारी चीज़ें जब एक बिजनेस इंटरप्राइज की परफॉर्मेंस को इफेक्ट करती हैं, ये सब किस में आएंगी, आपकी सोशल इन्वायरमेंट में आएंगी या फिर सोशल डायमेंशन में आएंगी, राइट. नाउ व्हाट इज ट्रेडिशन? वी आर सेइंग ट्रेडिशन मींस व्हाट? अ सोशल प्रैक्टिस व्हिच वी आर कंटिन्यूइंग फ्रॉम अ लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, राइट, दैट इज गोइंग टू बी कॉल्ड ट्रेडिशंस. लाइक what example you will give the tradition of our country? हमारी कंट्री का ट्रेडिशन क्या है? सेलिब्रेटिंग द फेस्टिवल लाइक दिवाली, गुरु पर्व, राइट. सो ये ट्रेडिशंस है हमारी कंट्री के. दीज आर आर ट्रेडिशंस, राइट, विच आर रिलेटेड विद द सोशल इन्वायरमेंट, सोशल डायमेंशन, बिकॉज सोसाइटी इसको फॉलो करती है. नाउ हाउ इट इज गोइंग टू अफेक्ट द बिजनेस इंटरप्राइजेस? लेट्स टेक द एग्जांपल्स आल्सो हियर. Now, if there is a festival like Diwali there, if there is a festival like Guru Parv there, so we get these are positively affecting the business. How positively? Because this is the time or this is the situation where the business will get more opportunity for the purpose of increasing their productivity. Why? Because during the time of festival, whether it is Diwali, Guru Parv or anything else, the demand for sweets, the demand for greeting cards, the demand for other electronic goods and the demand for flowers get increased, राइट. तो यहाँ पे क्या हुआ, एक सोसाइटी का जो ट्रेडिशन चल रहा है फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट करने का, उसकी वजह से क्या हुआ है, पॉजिटिव इफेक्ट पड़ा है बिजनेस के इंटरप्राइजेस को. सो दैट इज व्हाट वी आर सेइंग, दैट व्हेनेवर एनी values of society, the custom, education, labor, literacy rates, these all social trends, these all give or these all affect the performance of business enterprises positively or negatively. That is going to be called as social dimension. Now they have given the example of values also here. Values means what? Values means a standard which are held in high esteem by society. यानी एक standard जो कि society में हर कोई follow करता है, right? If it is going to affect the business enterprises, that is going to be called as social environment. Now let's discuss the different element of social environment. Social environment में कौन कौन से element आते हैं? Now why I am taking these elements here is because the case study will include any one of the element where you have to identify कि ये कौन से dimension को belong करते हैं, right? So the main element of social environment means society से related factors, right? Now birth and death rate, if a case study is containing any statement related with the birth and death rate, you have to identify that is social environment because it is belonging to the society. Now consumption habits किसकी होती है? सोसाइटी की होती है. फैमिली सिस्टम्स किसके होते हैं? सोसाइटी के होते हैं. रोल ऑफ वुमेन इन वर्क प्लेस, क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ, एजुकेशन, लिटरेसी रेट, these all are belonging to the society, right? Now this is all about the social environment or the social dimension of business environment. Let's study about the another dimension of business environment, and that is technological environment. Now this is a fourth dimension of business environment and technological environment it is, right? Now it is basically saying that it consists of scientific development and innovations which improve quality of goods and services. It means anything which is affecting the business enterprises because of the scientific development in, right, or because of the new innovations, and that is increasing the quality of goods and services, that is going to be called as technological dimension. Now what can be the example of this? The examples here for be new methods and technique for operating the things, right? Now innovation in the field of medicine and telecommunication and biotechnology, ये सब क्या है? These all are scientific development, right? These all are innovations, and what it is doing, it is improving the quality of goods and services, but the same time it is also going to give effect to the business enterprises also. That is the reason we say that these are technological environment, right? So simply you need to understand here, student, that technological environment or technological dimension is what? This is basically the scientific development or innovations because of which the performance of business enterprise is going to be affected. Right. Now let's start with the element which it covers. Suppose scientific improvement is there, a case study which is including the scientific improvement, a new way of productions, innovation is there, new method and technique of operating things are there. So these all are what? These all are a technological dimension of a business which is affecting its performance, right? Now let's go through with the another one, and that is legal environment, right? So what is legal environment? The rules and regulation which is framed by parliament, different laws, court orders, that all is going to become inside your legal dimension of business environment, right? Now there are certain rules and regulation which the parliament make for conducting any kind of business, or there are certain rules and regulation which different law of court has tackled, right? These all rules regulation has been made for the purpose of that the every business enterprises which follow it, and it will give welfare to the whole society, right? So if there is anything or any element which is related with the legal things, that will come inside the legal dimension of business environment. Now how we can able to understand here, like, to know that what kind of laws are there inside before purchasing any land, we need to follow out these rules and regulations, and there could be a legal implication also. Now in India, if you talk about the business enterprises, there are very important, certain very important legal rules which was framed, and these are Company Act 2013, everybody will be knowing because you have done it. Limited Liability Partnership Act 2008, we have done that also. Indian Partnership Act 1932, you have done it in class 11th only. And Consumer Protection Act 1986, which was a part of your class 10th economics also and class 12 business study also. So what it is, these are basically certain regulations, rules which is formed by parliament, right? And these rules regulations are formed just to give a restriction to the business enterprises, that what they can do and what they can't, right? So these all are the different kind of dimension which a business enterprise need to follow and which affect the business enterprises performance. Now let's start with the elements of business environment, and these are legislation passed by the government. If there is any rule, if there is any law which is passed by the government, that will come inside the legal environment. The administrative order, that will come inside the legal environment or legal dimension. And the judgment of court, if there is any judgment which was given by the court, that will come inside the legal dimension. Students, in your book it is not written environment, the word is used dimension there, but both are same. When we talk about the business environment dimension or business dimension, it is basically 5 part: social, political, economical, legal, and technological. And we have basically discussed here that how these five things affect the performance of our business enterprises with their elements also. This is very important topic. I hope please go through very properly with this topic.